Hello everyone. In this class we are going to make what I'm calling Hope Blooms, and it's this cute little watering can with 3 sunflowers coming out of the top. It's also embellished with a little butterfly and bee applique embroidery. So in the class we're going to start off with the embroidery embellishment, and then we'll assemble this can part in the center. Then we'll work on the spout and the nozzle and the little handles and get that all assembled. Then the next part is working on the sunflowers. So we'll build the centers and then the petals, and then we will work on the stems, which are actually pipe cleaners wrapped in felt. And then we'll gather those together and get those inserted down inside the little watering can. And then our last step is adding the hanger loop to the center handle. So that is Hope Blooms. It's a great little ornament as a gift for your favorite gardener, or Mother's Day, or May Day, anything really. So I think it's really sweet, and I can't wait for you to get started.